Y'all, we got a package and I am so excited, okay? So, we just received our package from Curlsqueen. Let's unbox, shall we? Okay? So, Curlsqueen, it says to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Okay? And such beautiful packaging. So, what we do have, we have a nice Curlsqueen brush. There are some additional clips for our clip-ins, and yes, I said clip-ins. They have lock clip-ins, okay? And we also have a gold bonnet, gold and pink. So we have a nice versatile brush, okay? All right, there are some additional clips in case you need them. And also a beautiful satin gold bonnet. And y'all, this bonnet has an elastic string to where you can adjust the fit. And for the star of the show, okay, here we are. We got our clip-ins in here. Okay, I'm so excited, okay. And we got a beautiful thank you card. Okay, Curlsqueen, a beautiful thank you card. So let's see what we got, okay. So we are opening it up. And these are our gorgeous lock extensions. Okay, so I did get mine in 16 inches as my locks are fairly long. So they do have a variety of lengths and sizes. There are 5 different lock styles, from sister locks to bold traditional locks. The clip-ins range from 6 to 20 inches, which is perfect for bob styles as well as waist length styles. Our lock sizes that they offer are 0.2 to 0.8 centimeters, or you are able to customize them. For a partial head, you can go with more of 50 locks for a more subtle volume, but for a full head, you can go with 100 locks for that maximized volume. Now, you can choose to go with clip-ins for volume or length, or both. So I'm wearing 16 inches. 0.4 centimeters. These are clip-ins and these are textured coily lock extensions, of course, from Curlsqueen, okay? So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so here we are. It's in a actual net. We're removing our net here. And we're in a natural black color. Now I just went jet black, but I think we'll still be okay, okay? But we are in a natural black. Look at the texture of that. Fits very closely to mine. Look at that. Fits very closely to my texture. And also there is a coily end because I do have those loose ends. So let's do it. So we have a lot of pieces for versatility. Okay. So let's say we want to add a little volume. We're going to, and as you see, we have 2 clips on this. I am unclipping it, okay? And we're going to rest it right here. Okay, right here. And just clip it in. Y'all, it is so secure, okay? And bring it back down. Look at that. I already got a little more volume, a little more fullness. Let's do another one on this side. Very simple, very easy. We're gonna go about here. And we're going to clip it right along there like so. Look at that. Okay, then we're gonna bring it back down over the clip-ins. And I always envisioned these very thick locks. I personally don't have the thickest hair. So when I learned that this was an option, when Curlsqueen reached out, I was so excited. I see clip-ins for everything, but I have not yet seen them for locks. So this is innovative. We love it. So we got us some volume going on here. And that blend though, that blend. Now I'm adding one right across the back. Now also remember, because these are 100% human hair, you can color them to your liking. If you need them to better fit your hair color, that is an option, okay? So they're giving us all types of options. We got more fullness from the side, more fullness in the back, okay? And just for the sake of it, let's add another one. I feel like we need a little more fullness on this side. So we got one here. We're gonna go, let's see, we don't want to get too bulky, you know what I'm saying? So that placement is important. Placement is important. So naturally, this side of my hair is thicker. So it's nice to be able to add a few just to give that even look, okay? And y'all, that was only a few of the clip-ins, and look how much volume I've gotten. Still have this much left, okay? So we can get volumes for days. Depending on the look we're going for, we can get volume for days. Because they're clip-ins, we're still able to put it behind our ear, you know what I mean? We can still get us a side part, a deep side part, okay? Let's grab us a scarf. Y'all, that blend is crazy, okay? Do you see it? Can you see where my locks start and these stop? Oh no, I can't either. I can't either. I'm amazed. So we have 100% Kinky Afro human hair, sold in different lengths and sizes. It's soft and lightweight, true to length, perfect for blending, and it's easy to install and style, okay? Now, if you like to get your hands on some of this to add to your locks, whether you want it for volume, for length, for different styling options, go on over to Curlsqueen. You'll be able to find all of that information in the description box. And also use code RXEA to save money off, okay? I feel so cute, okay? This was the next day. I was headed out to a college game and I wanted to do a ponytail or a nice bun. So you know what we did? We used our lock clip-in extensions once again. FYI, we will be dyeing these jet black just for that extra seamless look in the very near future, okay? And here we are securing our bun. Real sleek, real quick, real cute, and real natural. Don't forget to check the description box for your link. Until next time, bye guys.